So have you ever felt like you've sold your soul for a lead, like you have given up on real relationships in exchange for quick business? Let's talk about that because it's costing you way more than you think. Hey there, I'm Shayla Deem, and if you are serious about growing a real estate business that lasts, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Today, we're going to break down the real truth about lead generating strategies. So stay with me. So let me paint a picture for you. You're chasing leads, you're pouring money into ads, and you're signing up for every platform that promises to hand you buyers and sellers. But what happened? You get the lead, you close the deal, and then what? Is that person coming back to you in 5 years when they need to move again? Are they sending friends and family your way? Or are they going right back to the same place that they came from, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, or whoever? See, when we focus only on leads, we end up stepping over a $10 bill to pick up a dime. We put platforms like Zillow at the forefront of the relationship, and then they turn around and sell that relationship right back to us. We have given them power over something that should have been ours all along. And that right there, that's the real issue. The goal isn't just to close deals. It's about owning your business, to be in control of your pipeline, your relationships, and your future. And if someone else is in control of your business, whether that's Zillow, a lead service, or an algorithm, you're not running a business, you're just renting one. And that rent, it always goes up. Now let me be clear, I'm not saying that leads are bad, not at all. If you have a pay-per-lead model that's working for you and you're seeing repeat business and long-term growth, that's great. You need to keep doing what's working. But if your business is a one and done, and if you're constantly needing new leads because those past clients aren't coming back to you, that is when you need to reassess. Now, are you thinking about sustainability? Are you building a business that will take care of you long term? And maybe we just got it wrong from the start. Maybe we should have never called it lead generation at all. And maybe it's been about relationship generating. Because let's be real, where do your best clients come from? A cold lead who fills out a form online, or someone who was referred to you by a past client who would not dream of using anyone else? Think about your last 5 transactions. How many of those came from a real relationship versus a paid lead? And if the majority of your business isn't coming from relationships, what would happen if you shifted your focus? Because when you focus just on leads, you get one deal. When you focus on the relationship, you're building a tree, one that is going to continuously bear fruit year after year. You're not just picking apples up one at a time, hoping that the next one will come along. You're growing an orchard. You are growing something that's going to feed you indefinitely. So here's the real difference between a transactional agent and a relationship-driven agent. One is always looking for the next sell, and the other is building a foundation that will sustain their business for decades. Now again, I am not here to bash any model that works for you, but if you're feeling like you are always starting from zero, it might be time for you to shift your thinking. So here's my challenge for you. Look at your business today and how much of it is truly relationship driven. How many touch points are you making before someone truly trusts you? And what's one thing that you can do this week to deepen your relationship in just hunting instead of just hunting for the next deal? What I'd like for you to do is drop a comment below. I want to hear from you and what you think about this shift from lead genning to relationship genning. And if this resonates with you, hit that like button and make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the next conversation that may perhaps just take your business to the next level. As always, remember, we are rooting for you.